Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Momna Technology Wali. I am 17 years old from Punjab Jalam and a co-facilitator at Rehan School Online Academy. Welcome back to my channel and today I will give the TEDx Talk review. The title is The Power of Believing That You Can Improve by Carol Dweck. So let's start it. The Power of Believing That You Can Improve by Carol Dweck is an inspiring and thoughtful TEDx talk that explains how our mindset can shape our learning, success, and future. In this talk, Carol introduced the idea that people can develop their ability, thought, effort, practice, and learning. She in thought everyone to believe that improvement is always possible. One of the main idea of this TEDx talk is the difference between fixed mindset and growth mindset. A fixed mindset makes people believe that their intelligence and ability cannot change. A growth mindset, however, helps people understanding that they can become a better by working hard, learning from mistake, and never give up. Carroll explained that success is not only about talent but also about effort and dimension. The speaker also talked about the importance of challenges. She explained that many people avoid difficulty tasks because they are afraid for making mistake or failing. However, she remained us that challenges help us learn, grow, and become strong. Every mistake is a change to gain a new acknowledge and improve our skills. Another important message is this talk is the power of the world. Yet, instead of saying I can do this, Carol say people to I cannot do this yet. This simple word change the way we think. It's remind us that learning is a journey and success takes time, patience, and a confidence effort. Carol began her ideas in a clear, friendly, and engaging way. She used simple examples from education and everyday life to explain how positive mindset can improve confidence and motivation. Her message is easy to understand and meaningful for students, teachers, parents, and professionals, and anyone who want to continue learning and growing. This TEDx talk also highlights the importance of role of teacher and the parent in thought a growth mindset by effort interesting for only result they can help children become more confident, curious, and willing to face a new challenge. This created a learning environment where mistakes and seen as valuable opportunities instead of failures. Overall, the power of believing that you can improve in is an excellent TEDx talk that reminds us that our ability are not fixed. With the right mindset, regularly practice, and a willing to learn, everyone who the opportunity to improve and achieve their goals. Inspiring message to believe in our all selves, accept challenges, and continue learning. Thoughtful life. It is highly recommended for anyone who want to build confidence, develop new skills, and achieve personal and professional success. Thank you so much everyone for watching this TEDx talk. It's a very interesting and I really like this. And I also suggest everyone to watch the original TEDx talk. It's very useful for parent, teacher, and also for the students. So thank you so much for this video. So kindly like it and share it with your friend. Take care of yourself and surrounding people of you. and Allah Hafiz, everyone.